Good morning, fellow soil warriors. Today is Thursday, July 11th, and we're in the yard with a question in mind. Is it too early to start planning for fall? So before we go into the greenhouse, I wanted to give you an update on what's going on with this particular tomato plant. So it's been 3 days, 4 days since I sprayed it initially, and we've had rain, which has washed everything off. So I just sprayed with some malathion, something a little stronger. I am getting to the realization that this plant is probably not going to be able to be saved. So sometime in the near future, I'm probably going to cut it out and put it on the burn pile. Okay, so we're inside the greenhouse. Hopefully you can see me pretty well. We did some harvesting of basil and a few stuff out of the garden, some green beans, tomatoes, and a large cucumber and some peppers. So we're going to sit this here until we go back into the house so it could be washed and processed. So here are some of my seeds that I got in the mail for fall. And what I'm going to do today is do some broccoli planting some more, first time planting some lima beans and planting some Romanesca cauliflower and another variety of broccoli. Now, if you remember in a previous video, I started some onions using old seeds, and none of the onions have come up whatsoever. So I have some more that I ordered. I started these on June 30th. And none of them have come up. So I have some more seeds that I ordered, some more Creole and some more yellow onions. And when they come, I'll start them. So the first variety of broccoli that I'm going to do is called Calabrese. I got these seeds from Bentley Seeds. And we're going to do a total of 12 plants, 2 6-cell containers of them. So according to my little app that I use pretty much religiously, it's okay for me to start my broccoli now here in zone 9. And in about 8 weeks or so, they should be ready to go out into the garden. So I'm dropping 3 to 4 seeds in each container. And the strongest one of the bunch will keep, and the other ones will discard. We're going to gently cover these with a little soil, potting soil. Mash it down. soil has already been moistened in the containers. I'm just going to gently mist the top. And we'll use my spray pump for this. Put those back into the tray. Clean up my mess. And we're going to write our label. The variety of this broccoli is called Calabrese. And there we go. And we're going to take the same potting soil and we're going to put some in these biodegradable cups here. And we're going to start the Romanesca cauliflower. Gently pressing down the soil, getting all the air out. You write my label while I'm thinking about it now. I've never grown Romanesca cauliflower, so this is going to be a first for me. Okay. I have, looks like 7 seeds. So I guess I'm going to go ahead and use all of them, 2 in one, and 3 seeds in the other 2. Okay, we're going to put a little bit more soil on the top of each of these. Gently press down. Stick our labels in. Move our moringa out of the way. Label 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Next, we're going to do the lima beans. And we're going to get a 6L tray. Fill it up. Tap it down. Use another tray. Make my planting indentations. Clean up. We have our tray, or cell rather, and we're going to put one bean in each cell. Last year, my grandkids grew lima beans as a school project, and they were so excited to see it grow and something that they grew themselves. Yeah. Gonna add more soil on top of each of them. Make our label. The variety of these beans are Henderson bush beans. And we'll put our label in there. Now we're going to moisten the top of these as well as the cauliflower that we did. And I have a little water in a water bottle that we'll do a little bit more watering with. And there we go. We have our some of the seeds that are I'm going to start for fall started. Now we have more here, and let me show you. Brussels sprouts, cabbage, more cabbage, ball head cabbage, lots of lettuce, and this is supposed to be a early purple early purple broccoli. However, when I got it, as you can see, there are no seeds in it. So I wrote back to the company. Although I haven't heard from them yet, I'm going to write them back again, and hopefully they will take care of me. Some more Brussels sprouts here, broccoli, and a freebie Italian large leaf basil. in this one, we have some beets. It's too early, obviously, for those down here in Florida. These are red beets. These are Detroit winter beets. A freebie of Bush Lake beans, Morse headed collards, sparkler radishes, round squash, acorn squash, the delicata squash, some golden turnips, and some more golden beets. Now, most of these, if not all of these, will be started and planted in my fall garden. So stay tuned to see these grow. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did some early fall planting. Now, for those of you that live in other parts of the country, whether or not you can start your fall crops this early depends upon the zone that you live in. Down here in zone 10, zone 9, northern Florida, I can start some fall crops early on onions, broccoli, and on cauliflower, are to name a few. Once the weather drops and gets cooler, I can drop on other seeds like radishes and lettuce and stuff like that. More brassicas such as cabbage and collards and stuff. Rule of thumb for me, it may not work for you. Cooler the weather, the more fall crops that I can plant. So I want to thank you for coming along. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables and food by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all. You'll be notified whenever I upload new content. I want each and every one of you to help me reach an important milestone to me. I'm very close to reaching 50,000. And as I've stated in previous videos, I've never thought 3-4 years ago when I started this channel that I would have that many subscribers. I am truly blessed and honored that each and every one of you took the time to watch my videos and to subscribe. Lastly, and most importantly, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without him, we are nothing. Until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and we'll see you in the next one.